Hey there snack lovers! Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of delicious potato chips with the best Ruffle Chips Individual Bags available in the market. Get ready to satisfy your cravings with this amazing variety pack. Ruffles potato chips are famous for their iconic ridges and unbeatable flavors. The variety pack features 40 individual bags, perfect for snacking on the go. Whether you're a fan of classic original flavor, zesty cheddar sour cream, or a mix of both, this pack has something for everyone. The thick ridges of Ruffles potato chips help hold more great potato chip flavors and stand up to the thickest dips. Each bag is packed with fresh, crunchy chips that are sure to satisfy your snack cravings. Plus, the convenient individual serving size makes it easy to enjoy your favorite chips wherever you are. With Ruffles Potato Chips Variety Pack, you'll never have to worry about running out of your favorite snacks. The Value Pack offers a great selection of flavors at an affordable price, making it perfect for lunches, on-the-go snacking, or sharing with friends and family. Whether you're a fan of savory original or tangy cheddar sour cream, these chips are sure to be a hit. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enjoy the best Ruffle Chips individual bags available in the market. Treat yourself to the delicious flavors of Ruffles Potato Chips Variety Pack and elevate your snacking experience. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy snacking!